First, turn off the printer. These are the 5 inks we're adding, CMYK and white, and this one here is the moisturizing liquid. It is recommended to wear rubber gloves when filling ink. Open the right side cover of the printer. Before filling ink, check the label on the bottle. Pour white ink into the W ink bottle. Shake it vigorously to ensure it is well mixed. Open the ink bottle and remove the sealing film. Place a funnel on top of the white ink bottle. Pour in the white ink until the bottle is about 70% full. Wrap paper around the funnel when removing it to avoid spills. Close the ink bottle cap. Repeat the same steps for other colors. Pour yellow ink into the Y ink bottle. Pour magenta ink into the M ink bottle. Pour black ink into the K ink bottle. Pour cayenne ink into the C ink bottle. Once all inks are filled, close the side cover and turn on the printer. After powering on, wait until the power button stops blinking. Then press the one-click ink guide button to activate it. Press and hold the one-click ink guide button for more than 10 seconds. After 4 to 5 seconds, one-click ink guide button will start flashing, indicating that ink guiding has begun. The ink will be automatically drawn from the bottles through the tubes into the dampers. If one-click ink priming does not achieve the desired result, perform manual priming. When removing the dampers, keep the inlet facing upward to ensure both the dampers and ink tubes are fully filled with ink. Make sure each damper is aligned with the correct color label. After priming, ink also needs to be drawn from the waste ink tube. Open the side cover and remove the waste ink tube. Use a syringe to draw about 4 milliliters of waste ink from the tube, then place it back into the waste ink bottle. After guiding the ink press, and hold the ink button for 5 seconds to run a printhead cleaning. Wait until the power button stops flashing, which means the cleaning process is finished. Print a test page to check the print quality. If the test page shows broken lines or faint colors, clean the printhead again and print another test page. Repeat this until the test page is perfect. All ink filling steps are now complete.